Greg hooked up. Midday topwater bite.
Oh shit! Ah, motherfucker!
You still got him?
I thought that rod was gonna snap her.
Yeah, that almost happened to me a while ago. It ran right underneath my kayak when I hooked that last one.
Wow.
Good fish?
Yeah. Dude, I got the crack. Crank down.
Greg over here getting beat up by a redfish.
No, I think it's a hardhead. Look at this fish.
I hope not.
Boga out.
You can quit playing with that hardhead?
Peace.
Just like that, redemption, huh?
Redemption, baby. These hook ain't going nowhere. Right in the nose, front hook. All right, come on, now. Get up, fat boy.
Good fish.
8.5 on the boga.